Good morning students, this is Pawan Srivastav and today I will teach you about the last part of report writing. In the last video I taught you on the paper and that time I taught you about report on campaign, and this is the second part of report on campaign. So listen me very carefully, it's a very small part and you need to manage in this campaign a very little by your mind. बहुत कुछ आपको अपने आप करना है, so just keep watch at the board. By left side, report writing, I have written at the board, report writing, report on campaign, you can see in the picture I will send you, with example. Example is that, first you need to understand what is the example and then write the answer. Your school has recently organized a medical camp. मेडिकल कैंप, आपके स्कूल ने अभी अभी कोई मेडिकल कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था फॉर स्क्रीनिंग. किसके लिए था वो? स्क्रीनिंग के लिए. स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्टाफ फॉर स्वाइन फ्लू. स्वाइन फ्लू के लिए स्क्रीनिंग था और वो किसको कराना था? स्टूडेंट और स्टाफ को. वन ऑल्सो पॉइंट हियर दैट ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन द पेरेंट्स वर ऑल्सो इनवाइटेड फॉर इट. यहाँ पर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके गार्जियंस को यानी कि पेरेंट्स को भी इनवाइट किया गया है. यू आर रोहित या रश्मि. इफ यू आर अ बॉय सो यू कैन राइट हियर रिपोर्टेड बाय रोहित, एंड इफ यू आर अ गर्ल सो यू कैन राइट हियर रश्मि. ओके, एंड यू आर कल्चरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ विवेकानंद केंद्रीय स्कूल बेंगलोर. राइट अ रिपोर्ट इन अबाउट 100 to 150 words. Only 100 and 150 words you need to write in the report writing. Now let's move for the task. As you know that in the last videos I told that you need to write a report at the mid of the paper. पेपर के बिल्कुल बीच में आप कैपिटल में लिखेंगे a report. सभी कैपिटल लेटर्स में आए. Thereafter at the just behind, just below, you will write the title of your campaign. Medical camp for screening for swine flu. Just as given in the question, you can see here medical camp for screening, student and staff for swine flu. It doesn't matter what the topic you are writing, but whatever you are writing as a topic, that will be relevant, that will be valuable. Otherwise, you can write, you are writing here and there words, so that will not be good. So you will write the valuable title. Thereafter, one line left, as I told. In the left line you will write the address, place, you can say Bangalore. Bangalore लिखना है आपको, मतलब whatever the place in the given question वो आपको लिखना है. Thereafter in the next line, one side is date, second side is reported by Rohit. If you are boy you can write here Rohit. Thereafter you will leave the line. Leave one line, so you can see here, leave one line and then start your paragraph number 1. For more details you can see very carefully the last picture, last video I sent you for blueprint. Otherwise start your topic from here, first paragraph. You can see and match the first format. A camp for medical camp for screening for swine flu was conducted by Vivekanand Kendriya School Bangalore. Place, what organized, क्या ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया? कैंप है. किस चीज का कैंप है? ये. किसने किया? इसने किया. ओके, द पर्पस ऑफ द मेडिकल कैंप, you know very well the purpose of the campaign in the last video. The purpose of the medical camp was to aware the people about the effects of swine flu for them. It's the same. Having the title, it's the same. First paragraph is completed in 3 lines. Second paragraph, you will leave a line here and then start your paragraph number 2. In the medical camp, teachers, students and the parents were participated. Were participated means they are called. They are invited with their own permission by the medium of a conference. Conference means एक सभा बिठाई गई और जैसे कि एक स्पीच दी जाती है, दैट टाइम। सो बाय द मीडियम ऑफ कॉन्फ्रेंस, एक कॉन्फ्रेंस के माध्यम से एवरीवन वाज मेड understand about the benefits of medical camp and losses of swine flu। स्वाइन फ्लू के क्या नुकसान है और इस कैंप का क्या फायदा है, इन सब के बारे में उस कॉन्फ्रेंस के अंदर बताया है। स्वाइन फ्लू attacked the people's lungs and kidney। This is an extra sentence you can add if you have some sentences, so you can add in this paragraph to make the length of the paragraph, to make the length of this report. So you can add words and sentences by your side. Now your second paragraph is completed. Now third paragraph. People were suggested, you can take example of the last video. People were suggested to take precaution of this fatal disease. They made understand about the cure। उन्हें समझाया गया कि इसकी जो सावधानियां हैं या इसका जो रखरखाव है वो क्या होना चाहिए। एवरीबडी एप्रिसिएटेड, एप्रिसिएटेड मीन्स तारीफ करना या ध्यान से सुनना, दोनों वर्ड के मीनिंग होते हैं। एवरीबडी एप्रिसिएटेड द कैंप, हर किसी ने ध्यान से सुना कैंप को, और बाय विच पीपल बिकेम अवेयर अबाउट द डिसीज फॉर लॉन्ग, जिससे लंबे समय तक इस जानकारी को रखने के लिए, बीमारी की जानकारी को रखने के लिए लोग जो है मतलब अवेयर हुए। एवरीवन लिसन द सेम with attention, हर किसी ने बड़े ध्यान से सुना। These are the extra words whatever we can read in the third paragraph because it is less seen while checking. At the last, the same paragraph I added here, you have just noted in the last video the part of report on campaign, so you can just see here the same, having the title only, the same words I have used here. The purpose of medical camp seemed to become successful and completed, you can see in the last, for which it was organized. People participated in it with energy. Extra sentence, it was a successful camp. It was a successful camp, मतलब ये camp बड़ा ही successful रहा। So my dear students, you can see here with the help of this example you can create so many campaign camp report, but that events had happened in your life or other life already. So let's watch, we will discuss in the next video with the next topic. It may be possible that I will teach you article in the next, or otherwise I will take your literature book. So just keep ready for this. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day। ऐसे ही पढ़ते रहिए, we are enjoying and you are enjoying, this is the compulsion, studying like this, okay? Have a nice day।